The RocRow InkSonic XP600 DTF printer stands out for its fast, A3 printing throughput, making it well-suited to small shops that need to turn around custom garments quickly. Its 6-color configuration with dedicated white channels delivers vivid, high-contrast transfers that hold fine detail on designs with gradients and small text. The integrated digital control panel and self-designed mainboard streamline everyday tasks like nozzle checks and ink loading, so routine operation feels straightforward even for newcomers. A 3-in-1 white ink circulation, mixing, and filtration system, combined with automatic cleaning and waste ink management, keeps the printhead far less prone to clogging during continuous use. Support for a wide variety of fabrics and products, from cotton shirts and hoodies to canvas bags and athletic mesh, makes this printer a flexible choice for expanding a custom merchandise lineup. The bundle includes a curing oven, handheld heat press, consumables, and long-term technical assistance, so a new user can realistically go from unboxing to reliable production with minimal extra purchases.